Final last words?
Getting hit with the Ferrari is not a bad way to go.
All right, guys, we are here today with
Gabe, Cruz. What's up, guys?
And what the do you got me into today?
I got a video I've been wanting to do for a long time, and every time I come to film, I forget that I have this in my garage. So here we are, the Vibe Ride skate brake, something that you have not yet seen and or tested.
And I am 100% sure that this is not going to work. Okay, just so you guys know, you step on this and that's the brake.
Yep.
And so we went to a hill.
I mean,
we're gonna die on that hill, Gabe.
I'm not gonna die. I will have you know.
You're not gonna die because you're not gonna ride down it. I will have you know,
I did test these. We went to the steep hills in San Leandro.
Steep hills in San Leandro?
And I did ride down them with the brakes. I did.
And it worked.
And it worked very well.
Was it like smoking?
It does get extremely hot, and they recommend you let them cool down a little bit in between, because if you pour water on it, it'll literally steam.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. This is one of those videos where I have the idea and then someone else has to cash it out for me, and then they want to get revenge on me like 6 months later. So I live with that. I'm okay with that. I accept it. But as long as you walk away unscathed today, I think it's a success.
I hope I walk away unscathed, knock on wood. So this is this mechanism. You just push down on this, and then we have this very complex situation here that pushes into, is that like a brake pad?
You know, I'm not 100% sure of the science behind it, I'll be honest with you.
It just looks like a brake pad, but if you spin this and push, oh, we stop it.
Exactly. So I was thinking challenge-wise, right?
Yeah.
I think we do tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and then we do the impossible challenge at the end.
So this is tier 1.
Yeah.
We're thinking this is a nice mellow guy.
Just super chill tier 1 right here.
But we don't have a tier 2. We're about to get hit by a
Ferrari's
Ferrari.
pulling up on us. Honestly, if you were to get getting hit with the Ferrari is not a bad way to go.
Yeah, yeah.
How you doing?
I should have sketched the Ferrari.
Yeah, so we got tier 1 is right here. This is about as mellow as it gets. That's damn near flat ground.
That is not flat ground.
We got tier 2 is somewhere in this general area.
Yeah.
We haven't quite decided on it yet.
Maybe just into one of these. Maybe down that.
We're gonna see how Aaron responds to tier 1 first, and then tier 3 is behind us, and it's absolutely brute.
I don't even think we can walk up that hill, to be honest.
Yeah, honestly, if I walk up that hill, it's my cardio for the month. And then the impossible tier is down the street, and there's real danger. Like, you might want to have, like, Aaron, if you don't have an Apple Watch, now is time, so it can detect the collision alert.
Really?
It'll know if you fall and call the authorities, because it might be necessary. But let me just give you the quick rundown on this, though.
Tell me how this works.
So if you're standing on this, right, you're bombing a hill. So what you want to do,
if these brakes give out, I'm definitely shooting that board.
You kind of want to set up with your heel above the brake.
Yeah.
And then you kind of want to like casually start pressing down, you know, as you're going, and use your heel kind of like hovering.
Casually.
Yeah, you don't want to put too much weight on it at the same, like at one time. You kind of got to just get into a position that's comfortable where you can kind of hover the heel a little bit, and then you can really get used to the weight distribution.
Okay, okay.
But obviously it's going to be very jarring on flat because it's just going to stop immediately. When you're going downhill, there will be some resistance. So I would say take it a few times down this and really get used to it, you know?
Maybe this is tier 1 and that's tier 2.
No. That's tier 1. That's a good one.
Okay. Whoa!
That's a great
Straight
start.
into a rock. This is a bad idea. Ooh, it's smooth. It's smooth with it. I don't even need the brake on this.
See?
Say what? Say what? Fight me.
Okay, yeah, see, he's getting cocky already.
Okay, wow, I'm impressed. They've really done it. They've really done it here. Shoo! To a full stop? No way. Come on. This is next level.
I told you.
Wow, we flying. This is safe too. I'll just go, oh, what? Flying down the hill. Stop sign. Full stop. And we roll. Did I just get nailed by a car right here? They need to make this into an electric board so we can go back up the hill. Okay, tier 1. Hill 1, that was a complete success. I'm impressed. Let's see if these things are hot. Yeah, a little bit. Down the gnarly one though, I think we're gonna die.
You know, JD did a race on this.
Really?
In our video. Yeah, down a steep San Leandro hill, and he went like 30 miles an hour.
And then stopped?
And then, yeah, was stopping.
Wow.
I mean, tell me about it. How does it feel?
I'm very impressed. This is the smoothest ride, the dopest ride I've ever felt. I'm serious. To be able to ride on a skateboard and stop at a stop sign, That's monumental.
Yeah. You see that Boston Celtics crushed hat on the floor?
No?
Classic San Francisco, you know?
That's
just
right.
Crushing Boston and leaving them on the ground.
That's what we do.
You get what I was saying kind of about the pressure though?
Yeah.
You don't want to click too fast, but then there's also a give, because once you start going a little faster down steeper hills, it's gonna be a little less give, if that makes any sense.
For sure this whole thing is gonna melt off.
It's not gonna melt, no, but it will get really hot on steeper hills. So.
Tier 2, right here? Well, first of all, we got the Waymo.
I know.
Tier 2.
This is tier 0.
This is kind of a sick skate spot with the tier 0. You get up here. This is tier 3, and this is steeper than that one, right?
No.
Yeah, maybe you're right. I mean, just straight to tier 3 then, I guess.
That was pure panic.
Nobody saw that. I thought there were cars coming. I got nervous.
We gotta find a tier 2.
You think?
I mean, unless you're feeling confident, I really do think you should get used to it a little bit more.
Why? You're nervous. We could just go halfway down this?
Because tier 2 is the steepest we took it in the video initially.
Really?
This is steeper than anything that we took it on.
Oh, so you didn't roll nothing like this?
No, not yet. That's why I really wanna.
I mean, look at this. This is fried out. I mean, the question is, can I stand on there? Wait, are there cars coming? This is the most exhilarating video we've ever made. Cars coming or no?
You're good.
Dude, there's no way I'm gonna die. Okay, that was pretty good actually. Stopped. Okay.
I mean, how'd it feel?
Felt beautiful.
Were you just flooring it the entire time?
Yeah. If I let off for a second, you'll die. Stand on it, just stand on it and see what it feels like. Up that hill a little bit.
Dude, it's like a snowboard.
There's no way the video will do this justice.
Oh.
Look at his face.
Oh yeah, no, that could be bad.
I don't.
That could be bad. It could be bad, but it's like, it has to be done.
Like, how hot is this now? Not too
It's
bad.
not gonna be bad yet.
So should I go to the top? Should I just straight up? No break?
I mean, as a viewer watching, I think they're gonna want you to send it.
All the way? Gabe, are you sure?
Yeah, you got it.
This is a bad idea.
This is the best idea you've ever had. I mean, I've ever had. Be careful, there's no stop sign.
There's no stop sign, yeah. Wow, you feel that burn, Derek? They're burning the legs. Can't even walk. Dang, it's too bad we don't have that bungee, because you could street gap this. I just realized. Up it. I mean, am I just gonna brake the whole way and it's just gonna go really slow? Yeah, I think so, right? You can't even walk, you're breathing hard. You're about to go down. I'm gonna send this to my wife.
I've wanted to do this for a long time. And by wanted to do this, I mean I've wanted someone else to do this for a long time. Aaron's about 3/4 of the way up there right now. Derek's walking backwards and looks exhausted already. Leave your predictions in the comments below. I have no doubt it's gonna work. Just what's Aaron's execution gonna be like? I think, I mean, it's good. I think it's gonna be fine.
Bro, Derek, I can't breathe. Final last words. You know what though, look at that view. If you were gonna die today, at least you have the nicest view. Okay, skate break, straight into it.
All right, we are good. We are ready for action. Yeah, no, just try to make it down in a safe manner that's not like only 1 mile per hour.
I'm going 1 mile an hour. Okay, okay.
Yeah, 1.5 is okay. Oh yeah, he's nervous.
I got brakes, this is okay, right? If this works, this will be the greatest skateboard invention in the history of the world. Derek, we're doing it!
No.
Well, I feel like at any second these brakes are just gonna give out.
This is the most intense, action-packed sequence I've ever been a part of. Look at this man go. Oh, he's actually getting some speed.
I love it. Now I got like all these pedestrians filming me too. Look. Okay, I'm actually so impressed. I can give a little bit of more speed, speed it up a little bit, slow it down, as needed. I can even hit this stop sign, boy, we good.
It's pretty impressive, huh?
How did you do that so slowly?
We got brakes. Have you ever seen anything like that?
Skate
Look
break,
at you,
boy.
dude. They worked awesome. I can't believe that.
I love all these people that were waiting for me. Look at this guy filming. He thought we were gonna die.
There's nothing that beats the vibe of filming in the San Francisco
I know,
space, you know? Aaron,
These got to be toasted. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. That's real hot.
Yeah, we gotta let those cool down.
That worked though.
Dude,
see
not
that?
even a question that worked.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
This might be the greatest skateboard invention of the 21st century.
Seriously.
Okay, I'm impressed.
I mean, you just knocked out tier 1, skipped tier 2, went straight to tier 3 and crushed it, bro. I mean, you started going with a little speed, and I think the angle makes it look like you can't really tell, but you were going quick.
Yeah. What was cool is because I could ease off it a little bit, get a little bit more speed, and then ease back in, and that was fine.
So the other one, Impossible Tier, is gnarlier than this, right?
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
I mean, do we have to go see it?
Should we go up there?
Yeah.
I guess we got to. We're in this so far already, but that was pretty impressive. But Derek, feel it.
Oh yeah, it is hot.
I'm not gonna lie, I was worried that we'd get to a point where it just wouldn't break anymore. You know what I mean?
I thought it was gonna give out and I was gonna die.
And then I was getting ready to swipe the fingers down and put this into 0.5 so I can go like this and be a goalie. And hopefully not shatter my ankle.
What would you have done? Would you have just caught me like this?
Well, no, I would have told you to jump off and just let it go. I mean, at that point, it's self-preservation. Let the board, you can pay for damage to a car, but not to your brain.
Are we driving up there?
Yeah, I think we should.
Okay, good idea. Because Derek and I just walked up that hill and we were like, never again, bro, never again.
Dude, that guy was so funny.
Did you do the hill?
Yeah, we did. You impressed?
You guys are crazy. He's crazy.
He's crazy.
This guy might just be as crazy.
Get or die.
Love that. Lombard Street. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Lombard Street is a holy, almost died.
Yeah, wait, are we on a one-way going the wrong way?
Are we?
Yeah.
Where does it say it's a one-way? Oh, right there. Hey, you're not driving in San Francisco unless you go down a one-way every once in a while. You know what's funny? I was gonna say on the way here, like, why are these cars parked that way? I just figured I'd keep my mouth shut. It didn't make any sense to me. Now it does.
Look at me filming. Okay, a total tool. We gotta speed that up so it looks like I'm going hella fast.
Yeah. That guy at the bottom was like, how is he going down that so slow?
This is the most gnarly hill in all of San Francisco. So this dude goes tail drop from that rail, kickflip in, bomb the hill.
That is not okay.
This isn't really not. This is completely jacked. I don't know if it'll work. This is the test, Derek. No hands, completely stopped. We're good. Vibe right.
Hey.
Do you think it's gonna work?
Only one way to find out.
I don't know, guys.
Even Gabe can't walk down it.
Dangerous? Is this dangerous? No way, there's no way, this is not gonna work. We cannot do this, Derek. Tier 3 was enough, this is God tier. I don't think it's gonna work, dude. No! I'm fully stepping on the brake, just like full on. I think the brakes have met its match. Oh, bro.
Okay.
Oh, bro, it's giving out. It's giving out. Oh no, it's going in. It was giving out, now it's going in. We got a brake on that. This is the most brilliant invention of all time. Dude, I don't know if I can hold my legs. It's starting to give out. This is the hardest workout I've ever had. My leg is locking up.
That's what we call extreme stunts right there.
I can feel the brakes like starts to work and then it stops. You hear that? That's the brake giving out.
It's a Christmas miracle.
Oh, you hear that? I don't know, I'm going so slow, but it's still deadly terrifying. Vibe right. I don't know, they're onto something. Oh, you hear that? You hear that? Oh no, Gabe. It's like smoking. I don't know, you hear it? It's giving out. You hear it? I'm putting all the weight on the brake, dude, and it's still going. Oh. Yeah. 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 Give me that water. Wow.
Pull those things down.
Cool those things down.
So it was making noises up there?
It was going like this.
Were you pressing it as hard as you could?
As hard as I could. I was fully blown, stepping on it like every ounce of my weight. My leg is like giving out.
Wow. Dude, the people that were waiting down here that said it was dangerous, he was like, I don't understand how he's going so slow. I don't want people it doesn't make sense to people. You survived, dude. Let's go.
We made it.
Look, it may not have been like some extraordinary hill bombing bonanza, but I think as a test for that to go down that hill and not lose its ability to brake and still give you a safe and achievable ride down is freaking really good by Vibe Ride.
Amazing.
This is not sponsored. This is just
This
Aaron.
is not sponsored.
Yeah.
Shout out Vibe Ride. You saved my life today because this
Yeah.
would have been the end of Aaron Kyro.
Wow.
And now we're here
Video title.
to live the tale.
Well, that was fun. I didn't have to do anything. It's my favorite kind.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.